guys, good morning. Ito pala si Hita Finhon Vlog. Hello. Yan guys, pina-fast forward ko yung video ko para madalian lang. So, tingnan nyo, magandang panahon at magandang tingnan yung mga kaulapan, nakaputing-puti, at saka yung paligid din. It's green over the surrounding guys. At saka sa kalsada guys, walang traffic. So, bilis-bilisan natin. Pina-fast forward ko din yan. At saka 70 km/h yung takbo namin dyan. So, guys, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please like, subscribe sa my YouTube channel na Hita Finhon Vlog. Thank you for watching guys. Enjoy your view. Enjoy your watching. Thanks. And please don't forget to take care of yourself.